What is triangle law of vector addition? Triangle law of vector addition states that if two vectors acting simultaneously on a body are represented both in magnitude and direction by two sides of a triangle taken in an order, then the resultant of these vectors is given by a third side of that triangle taken in opposite order. Let's say that an object moves from point A to point B and then from point B to point C. The displacement of the object from A to B is represented by the vector A, and the displacement of the object from B to C is represented by vector B. Now, let's join the initial point A of the first vector and final point C of second vector to get the sum or the resultant vector of the two displacement vectors. Vector C represents the sum or the resultant vector of the displacement vectors A and B, or vector A plus vector B equal to C vector. This is known as triangle law of vector addition. Magnitude of resultant vector. Magnitude of the resultant vector C is given by the relation C equal to square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, where theta is the angle between vector A and vector B. Direction of the resultant vector. Let phi be the angle made by the resultant vector C with vector A. Then phi is equal to tan inverse B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. Let's take an example to understand this concept better. Question: three vectors P, Q and R are shown in figure. Let S be any point on the vector R. The distance between the points P and S is B into mod of R vector. The general relation among vector P, Q and S is. Options are given. You have to find the correct one. This question was asked in JEE Advanced 2017 exam. Solution: applying triangle law of vector addition in the triangle OPS, P vector plus B into R vector equal to S vector. Therefore, vector R equal to vector S minus vector P divided by B. Also, vector R is equal to vector Q minus vector P. Therefore, vector S minus vector P upon B is equal to vector Q minus vector P. This implies vector S minus vector P equal to B into vector Q minus B into vector P. Therefore, vector S is equal to B into vector Q plus 1 minus B into vector P. Hence, option A is correct.
Please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more interesting and educational videos to earn while you learn, download Extraclass app from Google Play Store and get rewarded for studying.